I like to help people, and I think the human body is really interesting. I'm Ryann Beaumont, and my major is pre-med biology. This year I'm taking a lot of upper level science. Last semester I took microbiology, genetics. I'm taking virology right now, and that class is really cool. It's a study of viruses and disease pathways and things like that. Really, really neat. I also, along with that, take my liberal arts courses. I'm almost done with those. I did a summer program at Gannon, and I got to go in the gross anatomy lab, and I got to see all these human organs and body parts, and it was probably the coolest thing I've ever done. I had no idea what I wanted to do, and then I held a human brain in my hands in the gross anatomy lab. I held a human brain, and I was just like, this is so cool. Someone thought with it. This was someone's brain, and I held it in my hands. Oh God, I listen to everything. Hip hop and like rap and stuff. I can't dance. Like, I think I got my dance moves from my dad. Like, he's more like the open the cabinet, like dance. I can't dance. Like, I have the subwoofer in my car, you know, the station wagon, driving along, listening to my music. It's kind of like an escape for me. Sometimes I'll just drive around. In the science major, like Zern is like a building all itself. Like all the teachers in there, you usually have a pretty good relationship with the teachers. Everyone, they're all like willing to help you, even if you're not in their classes or if you're not their advisee. You can go to any of them for help with pretty much anything, and they always have really good advice or can tell you someone to talk to that can give you advice. They're hard. It's a difficult major to be in, but if you stay on top of things and you study, it's really rewarding. It's not just science. Science majors don't just do science. We're people too. I do a lot of things at the Schuster Theater. I'm in Alpha Psi Omega. I'm in Tri Beta, but I mean that's sciencey too, so I guess I do a lot of science. I work at Hamot Medical Center. I guess that's science too. Oh, okay, I do theater. It's really neat. Hamot works around my school schedule so well. I got the job through Gannon, and my boss is really great, but when you work at Hamot, you get that one-on-one with doctors, with nurses, with PT, OT, everyone there, and they hear that you're a pre-med student, they're like, oh, well, let me show you this. This is pretty cool. So, I mean, they're really helpful, and I love my job. I love working at Hamot. In my free time, probably I go into nerd mode and I read my Kindle. That's what I do in my free time. I read and I write, and I sit with my cat. If I could have like 50 cats, I would. All the cats. All the cats. Believe. Believe in the possibilities. Believe in the possibilities.